afternoon and welcome to a brand new episode of The Court. My name is Devin and today is January 23rd, 2019. Let's start the show today with a look at the current and upcoming weather with our student meteorologist, Sydney.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Sydney. It's right around 1 o'clock, and as you can see from the parking lot behind me, we are currently experiencing a cloudy sky with a lot of snow and ice on the ground. The current temperature is 33 degrees, and it appears to be...
Yeah, although when I did it last...
Thanks for that update, Sydney. Now let's try to put a smile on your face with the jokes of the day.
Hi, my name is John, and here are some jokes to remember the next time you're in a situation to tell some jokes. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister. What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. Join us again for some more jokes tomorrow, and until then, let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, John. Now, for all the word lovers out there, we present to you the word of the day.
Hi, my name is Emily, and welcome to the segment dedicated to improving your vocabulary, the word of the day. Today's word is queue. Queue is a noun and a verb. Queue is defined as a line of people waiting for something or to form such a line. Line and file are synonyms for queue. In a sentence, queue can be used like this: a long queue formed at the bus stop. Queue, can you use it today?
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Kiva with today's true or false.
Hello, my name is Kiva and today's true or false topic is snowy owls. Let's see if you can figure out which statements are true or false. A snowy owl is a carnivore. True. A snowy owl can live up to 11 years. False. A snowy owl can live up to 9 years. A snowy owl weighs 4.5 pounds. True. Thanks for watching today's true or false. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now, from the creative minds of Sandra and Stavros, it's today's stop-motion short titled The Scientist and Elmo Meet. Now, it's time for today's paper bag challenge with Brandon.
Hello, my name is Brandon, and today I'll be participating in the paper bag challenge. Let's see what today's build challenge is. It says, you just landed your spacecraft on a new planet and are desperately in need of water, but the only water source is half a mile away. You may not find your space shuttle if you leave it. Design a way to get to the water without walking away from your space shuttle. I made a device that when you put on this, these are connected to a wooden stick that will drag on the ground to make marks so I can follow them back. That's all from today's paper bag challenge. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Well, at Strang Middle School and out in the community, we strive to be safe, responsible, and respectful. In the spirit of this, we wanted to explore the following question: why should you always be respectful to your parents? Let's see what some students at MESMS had to say.
I think we should listen to our parents because kids aren't able and aren't mature enough to make our own decisions yet.
You should listen to your parents because they take care of you and feed you.
You should listen to your parents because then there will be less consequences.
Because they know what's best for you.
You should listen to your parents because they're telling you responsible and safe things to do. If you don't listen to them, bad things can happen to you. And it's also a good idea to listen to wise people.
I should listen to my parents because they're always right and they will lead me to a good future.
Great job, kids. Now let's go to Carol with Today in History.
Hello, my name is Carol, and I'm going to share some facts and events that took place on this day in history. On this date in the year 1957, the first Frisbees were produced. Based on this event, we're going to focus today's facts on the company that produced the Frisbees. The company that produced the first Frisbees was called Wham-O. Another product produced by Wham-O was the hula hoop. This has been Today in History for January 23rd. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. We were wondering, if you could choose to do something for a day, what would it be? Let's see what the kids in the hall had to say.
If I could do anything for a day, I would donate a bunch of money to help save animals because there's just so many animals that are like lonely, like animals that just need help, and it's not fair to them because they're so innocent.
I would go to Disney World.
I would probably ride a horse or play volleyball.
If I could do something for a day, it would be to go to Walt Disney World and hang out with my family for the whole entire day. That's my favorite place to be, and I'm very happy there.
Would be baking all day with my family and friends.
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Justin with the lesson of the day.
Good afternoon, Yorktown. My name is Justin, and today's lesson is from math class. Today in math class, we learned about listing fractions, decimals, and percents from least to greatest or greatest to least. Then you would order the different numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least. First, we would make each number the same unit, a fraction, decimal, or percent. That's all from today's lesson. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Justin. That's our show for December 23rd, 2019. Thanks to all the students who contributed to today's episode. And if the opportunity presents itself, try and make someone's day a little bit brighter. As always, stay safe, responsible, and respectful. Have a great day.
We are currently experiencing a cloudy sky with a lot of snow and ice on the ground. The current temperature is 33 degrees, and it appears to...
Yeah, although when I did it last...
What is a tornado's favorite... Oh, it's cut off.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. We strive to be safe, responsible, and respectful. In this